Your hands are shaking, Ariel. Her hands are like.
Okay, just hold on to the ladder, okay? Sure. Oh my God, why is it
Keep
a
your
ladder?
feet towards the outside of the
Yeah, why is it wooden ladder?
Yeah, why isn't it metal? But seriously, where I've been wanting to go.
Okay, so go.
Oh my God.
Alright, who's next?
Okay, I'll get
Watch your camera.
I'll get up there once it's dirty.
Yeah, if you keep your feet closer to the outside, it helps stabilize it so it doesn't wobble so much. So you see where Robbie's at? That's where the next ladder's at.
What is that, a ladder?
There's one more.
Oh my goodness.
The second one is metal and it's bolted to the wall.
Oh.
So it's not.
Can they use these for anything?
Sorry about that, bud.
You got the door frame if you need it to hold on to. Yep.
Right.
Yeah, in there, there's another ladder off to the right hand side. You'll see it. It's metal, but it's bolted to the wall. It takes you straight up. Well, we had it up one step with the door open, but this we do. You're good.
It's worth the climb.
Hell yeah. Right. That must have been a chimney at one time. See where it's closed up? Well, you can see the dirt in the air. That looks like straw, like something lives over there. You see
Oh
it?
yeah, this is gonna be birds.
Oh. Come up here and catch the, what's that, the bird flu or what?
The mad bird flu.
Bird. Oh, God.
This something's gonna kill us someday.
Oh, that's the
Hey,
key.
not too bad. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Oh my God, I gotta feel straight ahead.
Yeah,
Okay, I called somebody else earlier. It wasn't you. How you doing, man?
pretty good.
Oh my goodness. Am I almost there yet? Oh! How are you gonna get down? Shit. Roger, am I there yet?
Almost.
Oh my goodness.
You're a little,
I
you're
cannot believe I'm doing this.
You're doing fine.
doing good.
Just keep on moving.
Yeah.
Just keep on moving. You'll be fine.
Where's the end of this?
There it
You're
goes.
almost there.
5 or 6 more. Keep going.
Your head's gonna come up to the surface here in a minute.
Oh my gosh.
You got it.
That's not good.
Looks like a couple more.
Yeah.
How high does it go?
There you go.
There we go.
You
Yeah,
got
all right.
it. Okay. You next.
I know you're gonna run right up it.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the camera, worry about you.
Wow.
It's nice and cool up here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Sweet.
Where's Robert at?
Yay.
Oh, look at all the bird poop. That's a pile of bird poop.
What do they use this place for up here? Just like it's dark? It's a watchtower or something?
Huh. Hmm.
Oh my gosh, you did.
Ooh, I feel like myself. Yo, this is sick.
Angel, can you see your house?
On this? On this?
No,
Yeah.
on this.
On your flashlight. Oh, wow.
Bag.
Oh, that's
So how did
good.
they get the bell up? If there was a bell up here.
Mm.
I don't know, I'm guessing it used to hang from there.
What? The bell?
Whoa. I thought she was going down.
How the heck am I gonna get down there? I can't get down there. Yes, you can. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I knew that. She was going to be afraid to go back down.
We'll get you down.
I'm scared of the wooden ladder, not that ladder.
I told you, if you can make it
this is
past
so
the
cool.
wooden ladder,
awesome.
the next one is nothing.
Hey.
We gotta get a picture of the three of us, like a selfie.
Yeah.
My phone is dead.
Over here, because
You want to...
Just straight down that they put
I think it was a fan, it was an exhaust fan because of this
Okay.
right here, which I don't know where it goes to, but I'm assuming down.
Because there's a
four
big,
walls
big
with all
pipe
the
right below
ventilation.
us.
yeah.
If you think about it, the room down below is all that ventilation. I think it was more an exhaust fan to suck it out, hot air really cold. I don't think it ever uses it.
Like as soon as guys get that out of here.
Okay, ready? Wow. Okay.
Glad I came up here.
Now, did you let I talk to you into it?
I feel like coming down is easier than going up.
You are starting.
Yeah.
Going up is easier.
Watch, he's just gonna slide down it like they do in like Navy vessels.
I ain't got the right gloves or gloves.
Fair point.
I would trust. I would
Fair
trust.
point.
Gosh, you're gonna Oh, I've already done that.
Holly, you are a braver soul than
Are
I.
you serious? That
Oh, yeah.
Before I touched it.
That's another prison back there off in the distance where that tower is at.
I thought it was a lot bigger, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, so did I.
That's okay, but
Because it felt like we were already really high. Yeah. I thought it was. Oh, you got this, bro. These are like the worst shoes.
She's going to be scared.
We'll go down
Are you?
So that way we're down at the bottom, maybe catch us one.
Can you take another one?
we just like
She don't.
slide
Can
down.
we just like, yeah, can we put like a spiral slide down?
I know, it's scary.
We'll get
I'd rather go down slide than go down ladder. I don't wanna go down.
awesome. Then
It was.
very, very
Oh boy.
well, we can
How do I know, Sonny?
Okay, Sid, you got this.
Let me light it for you. Does that help? I don't know.
Wait,
Are you nervous?
oh my gosh.
Going down?
Take your leg off.
Send it.
Mom,
Send. Did it.
you listen to me?
I'm trying.
Yeah.
That was behind me.
Oh my gosh.
There, she got it.
Hey,
Oh, wow, did you get a picture of that?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm right good.
Okay, wait, can you take a serious one?
Yeah, I had my gloves.
Just take a picture of his house. Please, please.
She's making it.
But then again, like I said, I just can't make it. I mean, I'll just try to.
Okay.
Wow.
Who's next?
That's creepy.
you and me.
It is.
Me? You? You go first or I'll video you. I will video you climbing down the ladder.
Is that screen gone?
yeah. That's how the birds got in here. I'll get rid of it for you for $5.
For $5?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Hi, Mom.
I'll probably shoot like a medium or something.
So why did you guys give up on finding us?
Did you guys have radios?
Yeah.
You guys could have turned it off. Because we were calling, you guys wouldn't even
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Did you have it on channel 2?
Yeah.
We kept saying Ariel and Ariel were done.
Yeah, it was on.
You know the reason they found us? Because I gave them the hint.
We're working on it.
The check was brought
Did you,
No, it's so funny. Someone comes and says, there was, what's the name? What did that say? Mary? Mary said, look behind the curtain, and they said, there's no fee. Is this somebody's name? Oh, that was with us. That was you? Yeah. And we were right there. We were behind the curtain. How did you find
Dad, I don't think this was ever used as a bell tower, but it did have a fan up here, so they
It's getting warm up there. I wanted to see that lady come down in a way. She's going to be entertaining. I know she's going to be afraid. Yeah, it is, actually. Whoa. Wait a minute, man. That's not good, Tim. Look at that, dude. That's straight fucking down. Somebody, there's a bag laying down there. I hope nobody fell down there. You see that?
Yeah, that's the killer.
Oh, it's just a bag laying there. That's weird. Yeah, I wonder if we could pull that closed.
Side here.
Don't go out that door. It's straight down. I just don't want you to go without a light.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the ladder.
It'll kill you.
And we're stuck up here.
The ladder.
Are you kidding?
This is the door that came. Yeah, I thought this was the door we came to. That's the chapel over there. I knew.
Oh Lord, I don't think I'm gonna get back down there.
Yeah, it was the door.
I opened that up and I'm like, man, that first step's a doozy. Don't go down there. I wonder if I should close this.
Oh right, someone didn't know
They
there.
have a light. Just, yeah, that'd be not good.
Oh God, straight down.
Almost. They're for stepping in it. You gonna be alright? Come on.
There again. Oh Lord.
Turn around.
Oh God.
How
do I get down?
Do not look down.
God, I'm gonna freak. I know it.
You'll be okay. Yeah, just put your, hold on there and put your foot down. Once you get a hold of the ladder.
Good thing I'm not wearing a dress.
space on the outside,
Yeah.
right?
Alright.
Because all this is new with the
Yeah,
power part, like,
here we
where the
go.
heck?
Okay.
You got it.
I'm gonna go outside.
I'm coming real close to you.
See about your dad being a fireman.
Yeah.
Or is it like the back part, so we can't really see it? All right, since we're
Yeah. You want to go? Video taking me going down if you want. You're like, yeah, great. Video takes me when I break my leg. Oh my God.
How do you recommend doing that? Backwards?
the best way is backwards.
Alright, you made it. Okay, let me.